Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Watch Aut firmware and battery level so you avoid mid-process failures. Check that firmware is at or above the minimum version and battery is over 50%. Next, enable developer or advanced mode and grant pairing and permission prompts so the device accepts configuration. Once done, install the companion app on your phone and pair via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This creates the control channel you'll use through the rest of the setup. You now move into calibration and customization, which determines reliability and daily usability. First, follow the on-screen calibration routine for gyroscope, accelerometer, and heart rate sensors so measurements stay accurate. This matters for activity tracking and alerts. Then make sure to set time zone, locale, and your preferred units to avoid conversion errors. Finally, configure notifications, do not disturb schedules, and which apps can send data. This keeps interruptions manageable and preserves battery life during critical. You finish by performing a full sync and backup so your settings and data are protected. This is essential before any firmware updates. Test critical functions. Make a call, trigger notifications, start a workout, and confirm payment methods to verify end-to-end behavior. If something fails, reboot the watch, repair via the companion app, and reset network settings as the first troubleshooting step. This clears cached pairing errors and resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.